In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to access Bluehost email. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly and conveniently access any Bluehost email addresses that you have attributed to your account. So all that you have to do is go over to bluehost.com, and in this website, click the login option at the top of the screen. In here, you will be able to enter your user ID and sign into your account. You will notice that you can also switch to webmail login. So this is one of the options that you have. As soon as you go over to webmail, you will be able to input your email here and then sign into the specific webmail account that you want to use. Now, alternatively, if you sign in and you don't find the option to use your webmail right away, look on the menu at the left side of the screen and then select Emails and Office. You will be able to go over into more settings regarding your email addresses and manage all of them. So once you choose Email and Office, you will be able to see a comprehensive list of all the addresses that you have, so the account and the domain, the restrictions, the storage, and if you look at the right side of the screen, you have the options to check the email, manage, and then see the connected devices. All that you have to do in this page is choose the option to check the email, or alternatively create new ones, manage them, and so on. It is incredibly simple, and all that you have to do is start this process through the Bluehost website at bluehost.com. This can be done through a web browser on your computer or your phone. Of course, you can also use an email client. So if you wish, optionally, you can configure your email client software like Outlook, Thunderbird, or Apple Mail to access your Bluehost email. This allows you to manage your emails directly within that application, and you will be able to follow their guidelines to edit as either IMAP or POP. I hope I was able to help you on how to access Bluehost email. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.